You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to check your cellular data usage on your iPhone to avoid overage charges. Open the Settings app and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. At the top, you'll see Current Period, which shows your total data usage since you last reset the statistics. Scroll down to see a list of all apps and there. Individual data consumption. To reset these statistics and start a new billing cycle tracking, scroll to the very bottom and tap Reset Statistics. Confirm by tapping Reset Statistics again. This will zero out the current period data, allowing you to monitor usage for your new billing month. For more detailed reporting, some carriers provide their own app. You can also enable low data mode for specific apps by tapping on the app name in this list. To set a data limit, go back to the main cellular settings and tap Cellular Data Options. Enable low data mode here to reduce overall usage. For a complete overview, check your carrier's account via their website or app for the most accurate bill-aligned data totals. Regularly monitoring this screen helps you identify data-hungry apps and manage your plan effectively. For more simple iPhone management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.